Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're seeing a PlayStation Network server outage error today, don't worry because you're not the only one facing this problem. This usually happens when Sony's PSN servers are undergoing maintenance or dealing with an unexpected service interruption. The first thing you should do is check the official PlayStation Network status page to see if the servers are currently online. If PSN is down, the only thing you can do is wait until Sony resolves the issue. While waiting, you can try restarting your PS4 or PS5, restarting your Wi-Fi router, and checking that your internet connection is stable. If the problem still remains, try signing out of your PlayStation account and logging back in. You should also check for any available system software updates and try restoring your game licenses through the PlayStation settings menu. If none of these solutions fix the issue and the PSN servers are still offline, you'll need to wait until Sony brings the service back online. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.